Now let us see the second method to create the object repository, which is using object spy. Now let's go back to Catalan Studio. This is the option which is for recording, and this is the option which is for creating the objects in object repository using object spy. This is the main feature or salient feature in Catalan Studio. I clicked on that one and it is asking me to give the URL. I can give the URL which I wanted to spy, and here I have options. I can choose a new browser, a new session, and can start recording the objects, or else I can choose an active browser. I'm choosing an active browser in this case because most of the times, for the first time, you may need to choose a new browser and give the application and launch and create the objects for the object repository. But most of the times, you may be in the middle of your application where you wanted to record the objects for that particular page. In that page, this is the feature which is going to helpful, that choose an active browser which is already open. Continue using web spy. So I have chosen an active Firefox session. It has this URL which is already launched. If not launched, you can give the URL over here, and then you can see that my spy is trying to locate the objects. On the top of the screen over here, whenever you place an object, you will notice capture object. To capture the object, press Alt and single quote button. To load the DOM map, press Control Alt single quote. So I wanted to capture this username. So I keep my spy here and press Alt quote. So now you can see the username object is added to the repository, and same Alt single quote for password, and for the button Alt quote. Okay. Now I click on login button, which is taking me to the next page. Here I am going to add admin. So here I am deciding that I don't want to maintain the admin button or object in the same page. I wanted to maintain a different folder. So for that, you can create a new page, and you can change the name also. Here you can change the name of the page. I wanted to name it as admin. So this is the admin page for me, and under admin page I wanted to add these web elements. For example, I am going to add this admin here. Okay, so like this you can maintain different pages. So now you have object repository that is getting created with the help of object spy. Mm, I can try to highlight. So for example, in this current page, I chose this and I try to verify and highlight. You will see that it is highlighted with a green mark. Once again, let just see. Yeah, it is there. Similarly, let us try to verify and highlight time. See, it is highlighted. But let us try to highlight this object, and it is not able to find it because it's a different page. It's in a different page, which is previous page. So like this, you can add a new page, you can add a new frame, you can add a new object. For example, click on new object. It will be created. Okay, new object is created. You can define the attributes over here for this object. You can similarly delete the object which you feel it's not necessary. So once you are done, you can click on save button. And there is a tricky part over here. You have to okay, fine. Let us say that let us just click on OK. It says please select the elements to add it to the object repository. So why it is happening is because you have to select it. So let me select this one, and it is even more tricky. Even now you see that it won't be saved. See, in the left window there are no objects identified. So this is the tricky part. What you have to do is you have to go and select some object and then click on save. Now you can see the objects are appearing here. Similarly, if you want these objects also to be appeared in that list, select any of the objects under that folder and then click on save. Now you will see all the objects are appearing, and you can select whichever the objects you wanted to add to the repository. In this case, I am selecting all the objects, so all of them are going to be added in this repository. And under this repository, I am selecting to create a new folder, because I don't want to use any of the existing folders for differentiation. So the best practice is, you maintain the objects page wise. So you create folders for each pages, and then you maintain the objects. That's a good practice for maintaining the object repository. You can maintain the objects even module wise, not just the page wise. You can maintain the objects also functional wise. So whichever fits for your framework, for your application, you choose that way to maintain the objects in the repository. So for the demo purpose, I have used this folder for explaining by record feature. So I want to create a new folder which I say by object spy. So I am building the object repository with the help of object spy. So that's what it means. I selected this folder and then I click on OK button. So now my object repository is created. We can go back to Catalan Studio and see it is there. See, by objects by folder is created. Under this folder, I have another folder admin, which is maintaining my admin page objects. And for the first login page, I have these three objects. So this is the second way to create objects in the object repository.